Well, hello and welcome and welcome and hello and welcome. It is, what the hell day is it? I think it's Monday, guys. I am taking a break to recharge the batteries. I'm baby stepping my way to wealth, health, and happiness. I am taking a vacation from my problems and just doing a huge stream in Lake Me. But I wanted to check in with you guys because I haven't seen anybody in a while, haven't seen any familiar faces. I'm just surrounded by very, very wealthy tourists. It's it's not an easy life, folks. Just sitting at these 5 stars with Princess J around the pool, swimming in beautiful tropical waters while my stocks just absolutely skyrocket, making tens of thousands of dollars per day from the beach. Neo has exploded 50% off the lows in just a few weeks, making me an incredible sum of money. SoFi is going absolutely ham right now. Guys, I apologize because it's very bright out here. There's just a gorgeous pool complex overlooking the tropical islands, the beautiful Pacific Ocean. It's a rough life, guys, but I do what I can. I'm gonna head down to a beautiful breakfast buffet here in a little bit and just consume an inordinate amount of coffee and pork-based breakfast meats, probably a lot of tropical fruit. But anyway, guys, just wanted to touch base and let you know essentially what's going on with the stock. Perfect volume, perfect retracement, perfect fundamentals incoming, perfect storm. The only question I think is let's get out, and that could be based a lot upon if we get a quarter point or a half point cut. I think Powell really is late to the party, and I think he should be cutting half a point. I don't think he should be looking to the stock market. I think he should be looking at the labor market and various other things. That said, he seems like such a sort of weak kneed reactionary to me that I feel like he's going to do too little instead of doing too much. So while I think a half point cut is what we should be doing, I think it's quite possible and in fact likely that we get a quarter point. It's just mixed data. I still think that's very, very good for SoFi, but sorry guys, I really cannot see the comments. I do apologize for that. Let me share my screen. Want to say hello to everyone, of course. Let's see, we have Mike Hill. What's going on, Mike? We've got M. Russo. Hello and welcome, M. Russo. I don't know if anybody can hear me. I don't know if you can see me. I don't have my multiple monitor setups, microphones, anything. I just have my trusty Tandy laptop that I purchased in 1987 in Reykjavik, Iceland. Quite a story there. I know many of you know it. I know Nicholas Youngworth was there. Welcome and hello. 3 weeks till can't. Nice, man, nice. I got the hell out of California for a while. I'm just hitting the islands, white sand beaches. Great food, great people, great service. It's what I'm all about. I just love to make people happy, especially myself. What's going on, SJ Tavares? What's going on, Brian with a Y? How's it going? What's going on, C-Bar? Hope you're engineering something wonderful today. What's going on, Brian? Good afternoon, number 4. Definitely nice little movement. Let's see. Yeah, no, I look more handsome every single day. You're definitely right, Clap My Dog. Princess J tells me that all the time. Hey, what's going on, man? What's up, Eugenio? How's it going, Clap My Dog? What's going on? Benji's here. Benji. Yeah, if I put some sunglasses, Benji, they're a polarized and prescription, so I tend to lose my entire deal here. But let's see. No filtered tap water. The 5-star resorts bring you bottled water. It's wonderful. Let's see. No, I'm not a big shot. I'm not Billy Joel. I'm just here recharging the batteries. But anyway, guys, let me just take you through this retracement. I'm not going to do a long video. Obviously, I have much, much better things to do. Thank you for checking in, Princess J. I appreciate that. Sorry, I apologize if I woke anyone up, any neighbors. That's why I'm whispering, kind of squinting. That's why I look old and disheveled and weathered. What's going on? What do I think about Derek Carr? I mean, it's the same thing that happened. What's his name went to the Cowboys, receiver. Like everyone who leaves the Raiders and who has a ton of talent, as soon as they get out of the Raiders jersey, they just get like incredibly better and they just start doing well. Uh, what's going on, Catfish? Just got the cats. How's it going, Catfish? I got Michael Anthony here, Air Force, Tree Camp, Clap My Dog. What's up, Catfish Raid? Yeah, you guys check out Catfish's channel. The guy's absolutely on fire. Rapid growth. The only thing growing faster than SoFi is Catfish's YouTube channel. So get over there and check him out, guys. I'm gonna I'm not gonna be able to see your stuff anymore. I'm just gonna jump into my browser so I can show you guys a couple of things, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up rather quickly. But let's see what we can do here, guys. SoFi, this is what I'm talking about with a perfect Fibonacci retracement. I don't even really, believe that much in Fibonacci. It's proven to work. So you basically see Fibonacci, 40%, 50%, 61%. These things are not exact. Notice that we had a 36% move here in 18 days. So you see basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's exactly what you want to see. Basically, the main move is here. This is 3. And then this retraces about 60%, which is like the strongest possible retracement you can get. And then just moving up dramatically here on perfectly bullish volume. We're seeing, 40 million shares, 50 million shares. That's exactly what we want to see. We don't want to see down 20 million. We don't want to see, 80 million, 100 million, just the algo sweeping up all the orders and completely controlling the price. That's not what we want to see at all. This is absolute perfection. And then just you can see all my nonsense there, but taking a look at the dailies, the algo has basically lost control of the stock. The orders are too plentiful. Everyone knows what's going to happen here. I told you guys many, many times, Goldman and BlackRock are going to flip this thing, send it up into the 14 area, make an absolute killing on it, and they're going to leave the rest of these, less experienced, smaller shorts for dead. And that's just the way that's going to be. Let me get you, I have construction, I have all kinds of things apparently going on behind me, but let me just get you a check of the live short interest. This is very, very interesting. They're basically re-shorting. We're returning shares earlier, but the short interest has spiked. I don't know exactly what happened, but I haven't looked at this in a couple days, and the short interest is back to 202 million shares and 227 million shares on loan. Cost to borrow, still very, very low, so I don't really know what's going on there. In terms of max pain is 7, okay, guys? Huge amount of puts at 7, huge amount of calls at 8. You see the calls opening up, just an insane amount of volume at 8. So, the option sellers, the bears, the shorts are going to do everything they can to keep this below, approximately $8.20, so those options don't really print too much, but I don't think they're going to be able to do it at all. There's just way too much action. SoFi, out of all these, like Upstart's getting crushed today. I mean, SoFi is basically the only quality diversified play in the fintech, poised to reap incredible benefits. SoFi doesn't just have one lending product, essentially one trick pony like an Upstart or an Affirm, or I would argue even a Robinhood is basically just investing. I mean, the credit card business, they're going to lose a fortune. I think it's terrible. I think their books are going to fall apart next year. But that's just my opinion, particularly in a recession. But the market is telling you, SoFi is best of breed, SoFi is the best fintech, and it all seems to be coming together. But essentially, we needed this rate cut. We need institutional investment to increase, and we've been seeing those two things, coming along. Basically constantly, so everything looks really good. Let me see who else is here, guys. We've got thanks, Catfish, appreciate it, man. Always appreciate your support. Catfish has always supported my channel. I really appreciate it, and hope you guys run out there and support him. I hope Not a Lurker's here. Hello and welcome. Not a Lurker. Great to see you. We've got, I didn't know if the internet here at the resort was going to give me enough, but I have evidently somebody trimming some hedges. It's quite early over here in the beautiful South Pacific, but appreciate Not a Lurker joining me. I don't know if Birdie's here, but if he is, also appreciate you. Hope you guys are doing very, very well. Again, just wanted to touch base with you guys. Because I haven't checked in quite a while. D Nasty's here. What's up, Air Force? 650 gap was not filled. Don't worry too much about that. There's gaps all over the chart, Air Force. You don't need to fill anything. The retracement's there. It's look how close it was. Look at the percentages. Don't get caught up in that stuff. It's not that useful. There's gaps above, there's gaps below. This chart is insane because it's not trading, based on any type of fundamentals. This is trading based on a few hedge funds pushing it around, and now they're pushing up. So I wouldn't really worry about the gap at 650 personally. But anyway, Mustang Rider, what's going on, Mustang Rider? What's going on, Clap My Dog? TJ the Wheel Deal is here. Good to see you, TJ. Hope everybody's doing well. That's really all I had today, guys. If you look at volume, it's perfectly bullish. The chart is bullish. There's really no resistance, I don't think, until really $10.11. I think that's where this thing's going. Shorts are getting absolutely crushed, kicked in both nuts. Covered call sellers, option sellers are getting crushed. Again, max pin's 7, we're already well over 8. So that's just the way these things go sometimes. I know, you guys who do this for a living say you're going to roll out of the options, it doesn't make any difference. Well, you're still making a directional bet and you were still possibly wrong, so you're still losing money. But I know I know you guys know that. So TJ is actually one of the real experts on this whole wheel strategy. So if you guys want to learn about, these wheel strategies, covered calls, all these things a lot of people tend to talk about in the comments, TJ would be a great resource because he's one of the best guys in terms of teaching the wheel strategy, which is very popular because it involves very little risk and, will make you a ton of profit. So you guys should definitely check out, we all look good today, don't we, TJ? That's funny. You look good when, things go up, and you look like an idiot when things go down. That's just kind of how it goes, guys. Keep sailing, Bob. I'm late to the catfish trade. I get it about gaps. However, this is the 8th time. Try to stay over 780 in the fill. I understand. It's going to pop because of interest rate cuts, Air Force. It's gonna pop because fundamentals do actually matter, and it's going to look at Seaport. I mean, this ass face Bill Ryan with Seaport, he was saying 0 cents last quarter, 1 cent, and then he was at 2 cents this quarter, and he just raised that to 4 cents. Just raised his full year. Goldman Sachs raised everything. I mean, there's a reason for that. It's because interest rates are going to create massive demand. SoFi and fair value accounting is going to front load a lot of profits. I mean, Nodo is telling you, he just tweeted, he's pushing personal loans. They're going to be able to grab the very, very best customers on these personal loans and make an absolute ton of money. Everyone sees it right now. That's why the stock is going crazy, guys. I'm going to check back with you as soon as possible. But guys, as Bob Wiley said, I'm on vacation. Gil is a city fish, but guys, he's loving it out here, as am I. And again, just wanted to touch base. Don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, but the retracement's perfect. Yes, it could fill a gap down to 650. It could go back down to 5. A lot of people have been saying it will. I don't think so. I think we're going to $10.11. I don't think anything can stop this train. And I don't know, guys. I'm printing money. I'm levered up. I love this thing in low 6s. I tried to give you guys Neo down in the mid 3s. I mean, that's already moved back up to 550. Made like 50%. I poured money in there. I made like 50% already in just a few weeks. But people don't want to listen to me. People think I'm an idiot. So, and they're probably right. Guys, that's really all the time I have. I have to go have some coffee. This is totally weak, but let's see. And somebody checking in. We've got. I know. Not a lurker. I am supposed to be relaxing. I'm trying to, but I want to touch base with you guys. Hello, Matt Flo. Hello and welcome. What's up, Matt Flo? I took advantage of the Neo chip. Oh, thanks, Benji. Appreciate that. I know you already mentioned that. Yeah, it's just and you mentioned you're going to sell and trade. There's nothing wrong with taking a 50% profit in 3 weeks, guys. It's a very risky stock, so I would endorse that strategy. I'm personally going to hold the thing. I want to see what battery swap does. I think it's going to be absolutely huge. Neo's talking to VW, Neo's talking to Mercedes, so we'll just have to see what happens there. But guys, this is about SoFi. SoFi's absolutely crushing it. The stock's about to explode. Bears, shorts, they can't stop it. They're tiny wing losers, and hope you guys have a great day. I'm on vacation. Peace. I'm out.